Your Samsung Galaxy S7 won't turn on. Maybe the Droid guy can help. Here's how to fix it. First, force restart your Galaxy S7. Press and hold the volume down and power keys together for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, charge your Galaxy S7. Might seem silly, but perhaps your battery was simply drained and out of battery. Try giving it a charge for at least a few minutes. Still no good. Reboot in recovery mode. Press and then hold the home and volume up keys, then press and hold the power key. When the logo appears on the screen, release the power key but continue holding the home and volume up keys. When the Android logo appears, release both keys. Leave the phone on for about a minute. Still the phone won't turn on. Try booting the Galaxy S7 in safe mode. Press and hold the power key. After the Galaxy S7 logo appears, release the power key and immediately hold the volume down key. Continue holding the volume down button until the device finishes rebooting. Release when you see safe mode at the bottom left corner of the screen. Hope one of these solutions work for you. Android tips brought to you by thedroidguy.com. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.